Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, so I don't ever do anything fun on here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do a get ready with me, and then I might vlog, maybe. I don't know, I'm going out with my friends and stuff tonight, so maybe I will do some vlogging for you guys, and you guys can meet my friends. And yeah, I've already cleaned my face, so we can start out with moisturizer. So for moisturizer, I'm gonna do my Seriously Shine Free from Formula 10.0.6. I don't really know how to actually pronounce that, but it's a nice gel moisturizer. It has aloe vera in it and bamboo, so pretty good. For my first step in priming, I'm going to use my Tarte Clean Slate. I'm just going to use about that much of it, and I'm just going to rub that through here.
I'm so far away from you. I don't want to let you down.
Then I'm going to take some of my Smashbox primer water, and I'm just going to spritz that all over my face.
I don't even like the road. Focus on the radio.
I'm going to let this primer sit on my face for a few minutes, and I'm going to go do my brows, and I will be right back. I am back with brows on, and for foundation today, we're going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin. So my camera died while I was doing my concealer, so I've already applied my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. So we can go ahead and set that now. And for setting powder, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade my contour and my blush, and then I'll set. I don't even know how to do makeup anymore, guys.
But I guess the more you thought about everything whenever you were wrong in the first place, right? Yeah, I'ma just ignore you, walking towards you, with my head down, looking at the ground, I'm embarrassed for you, paranoia. What did I do wrong this time? That's parents for you, very loyal. Should I have my back? Would you put a knife in my hands? What else should I carry for you? I care for you, but the heads right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud.
So for blush, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution. This is the Hot Spice Blush Blush Powder. And I think I'm going to take this shade right here and pop that on.
To go to your house, every time I sit on that couch, I feel like you lecture me. Eventually, I bet that we could have made this work and probably would have figured things.
So, we're going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette. And we're going to start out with Golden Orchard right here. And Ortra. I don't know what the name. We're going to go in that with that golden shade.
Even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I try, my love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm.
Oh, sorry, that color I just used was the burnt orange. I don't think I mentioned that. And then we are going to go in with the shade right here. It is called Grwm. It's a pretty orangey orange. Pretty orangey orange.
My love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
So I'm just going to take a little bit of this red, deep red color right here. It's like that red orchard, I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm.
I'm going to take a little bit of my Born This Way concealer and just plop that on the eye. So I'm going to use my Stila Magnificent Metal Liquid Eyeshadows in Kitten Karma.
I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time, you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but
And then I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take Grwm and this one right here, Burnt Orange, yeah, Grwm and Burnt Orange, and going to connect them together.
I die, and I will never want much more. And in my heart, I will always be sure. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I die. Till the day I die.
I'm going to do some liner and some lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay, I am back with lashes and liner, and for my bottom lashes, I used this Golden Orchard color and Burnt Orange. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some liner to the waterline, and I'm going to use this CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus. And now for highlighter, we're going to go into the Anastasia Glow, Sugar Glow. This is what this one is. Yeah, the Sugar Glow kit. And we're going to use Gumdrop today. And then for our inner corner, we're gonna take Butterscotch, which is the shade right here.
But sometimes you just gotta know that these things fall through. I'm still tired, I can't have my connection with you.
For lipstick, we're gonna use my Too Faced Melted Mattes in the shade Holy Chic. And it's just a pinky nude.
I can have my connection with you.
that concludes the makeup portion of this part, and if I end up not blogging, I will see you guys on the next one, and hopefully I do end up blogging today so you guys can see what it's like in my life, because it's crazy. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Brandon, Kristen, Tessa, Courtney, and Alexis. And then Alexis. Salad. Max, where's your salad?